Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorials how to make solid. For example, I will draw rectangle and also we draw circle in it. Now we can use pull tools to convert into 3D. And if you want to make this object solid, you need to convert into group. You can triple click, right click and then choose make group. You also can select this object, right click and make group. Now to cut, intersect or join, you can use solid tools. Click on view and then go to toolbars. In here you can active for solid tools and can click close. So it will be appear for these solid tools. There are a lot of options like you can intersect, unions or subtract. As example, I will move this object from this point into here. And then you can move again to the bottom like this. Now if you want to subtract, you only select this object, click at this icon, subtract, and then select this cylinder object. So it will be automatically cut. If you want to cut the box, you need to select this cylinder, click on subtract tools, and then click the box object. So it will be automatically create subtract. You also can use for intersect by selecting these two objects. Use these tools for intersects and selecting these two objects. And to combine, we can use union tools. Click at this icon union, select these two objects. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorials how to make solid. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.